Ayan po, real talk po tayo ha. Nakikiuso po tayo sa real talk ha. Ang dami-dami po kasing nagsasabi na Englishin ko na lang. Not everyone told you that I love you is from the heart. I don't believe that. Diba? Yung iba, para lang sa kasayahan nila, diba? Para masabi lang yun. Sabi, the other one just come from the snout. Yung iba naman galing lang sa nguso. Yun, hindi naman talaga galing sa puso. Kaya, maging alert po tayo. Mabuti yung kung sa salita ng Diyos yun. Pag sinabing I love you, ano talaga yun, pure that I say I love you from my heart. Para lang masabi na gano'n. Pero, pag galing po talaga, kapag galing po talaga kay Lord, it's pure that I say I love you. Kaya pag nagsabi ako I love you, it's come from my heart. It's not it's not from my mouth only. It's it's come from my heart. Ayan, thank you. God bless you. I love you. Ayan na. Galing yan sa puso. It's come from my heart, not my mouth. Mwah!